You know what we forgot to talk about is this over here. We should slide down a little.
What is all this?
Yeah, you know what this all is? This is the official Emmy Awards giving sweet bag.
Wow. No big deal at all.
Yeah. So Karen Wood of Backstage Creations has put together the Emmys Giving Suite, where the presenters and the nominees get to go home with amazing luxury items, but it's all for a really good cause because stars autograph some of the items in the suite, and then they're auctioned off to support the Television Academy Foundation's educational programs like their student internship program and college television awards. I mean, and there is a lot.
I've got a few things.
It's a lot of swag. Lots of swag.
I got a few things here. We've got an Arc Crystal. It's a handcrafted wearable technology worth $1,200. Wow. There we go.
Nice.
We've got a Mercedes Brunelli clutch. It's a handmade work of art embellished with Swarovski crystals.
Wow.
My wife would love to have one of those right this second. If you're thinking about maybe taking a trip to Africa, I don't know, for the luxury safari company, they are going to put you up for a night.
Wow.
Can you believe that?
Wow.
It's incredible.
It's unbelievable.
I mean, it's no trip to Spain, but whatever.
It was France. It was
France, wherever, whatever. And to carry all this stuff home, you're getting an expandable suitcase from Delsey Luggage as well. And by the way, that's just a few things. Look at all
We
this.
got headphones. We got like a Beauty and the Beast rose.
We took a picture of everybody in our audience today as if you were going to the DMV, and that's why, because we want to give one of you the whole bag.
Oh, Jesse, I think you're pushing the button.
Somebody's gonna take an entire bag home?
The whole shebang.
Wow.
They could even pack it in the bag if they want. They're good to go. Hit that button,
You guys,
sir.
let's get a countdown. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh!
She's right there, Jack.
Where is she? Congratulations.
What's your name?
So tell us your name and where you're from.
Okay,
What's your name?
My name is Gloria Clark, and I'm from Manhattan, New York.
It's just from right here.
You're a neighbor.
Yeah.
In the neighbor. So what does it feel like to win this bag?
Oh boy, I can't even imagine.
super fun,
it's
right?
wonderful. I never expected it.
It's fun, and you
This
can
is a
wheel it right
surprise.
home because you're right here in the city.
Wow.